Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Gabby's Nails Though, and welcome back to the bed where I do my talking with you guys. If you could please hit that like and hit that subscribe button before I forget to mention it, please go ahead and do that. It really helps out my channel. And you can hit that bell if you want, because then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So, this intro is going to be really short and simple. I really enjoy this nail set that I do. It is all about fall, it's very autumnal, it is cute, it is simple, and I think it's office appropriate. Or if you work at a school, I'm sure the kids will love the design with the leaves on them. I'm sure kids will love it. And they do catch eyes. I did this design a few days ago. I'm trying to think. Over a week ago actually, and I have gotten a lot of compliments and a lot of inquiries as to where I got my nails done, and of course I'm super proud and I always say, oh, I actually do them myself. And people are super surprised. One person even asked if she could take a picture of my nails to do her nails exactly like mine. And that was super complimentary and I felt really nice about that. And of course I let her take a picture. She was such a sweet lady and I hope her nails turned out good. I hope her nail tech knew what to do. I mean, who knows, because the leaf stickers are what really make this nail what it is, and also the glitter gel polish just spice it up as well. So I'll throw up some pictures and you'll see me do my nails along the way, but here's my right hand. Hopefully it's focusing on my nails, who knows. And I'll show you this side. Not my proudest moment, one of the leaves fell off, so that's fine, but it still looks cute. And then on the thumbs here, which I think is really cute, are little feathers. They are gold, sort of a rose gold, and I applied those with a gem gel adhesive. So I just wanted to, you know, spice up the thumbs a little bit and use some more gold and pull that color in because that is a very fall color in my opinion. So, without further ado, without me blabbering on, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys can recreate it. Maybe you will. Oh, that reminds me that I actually did these nails to enter a contest that Red Iguana and Nailbox was running, and unfortunately I didn't win. However, I was mentioned in her post and I was complimented. She said that she enjoyed my nails and that they are very cute and easy to wear on an everyday basis. And like I said before, I totally agree. They're very wearable for any age, any person, in any place. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you saw my last video, I used the Enailcouture system to do these nails, and now I'm just buffing off the shine on my nails so that the gel polish can stick to my nails much easier and it'll be a smooth result. Here you can see me using a nail brush to take off all of the dust and debris from my nails so that the gel polish applies really smoothly and there's no little bumps or extra debris from the filing. Here's my OPI gel base coat that I always use. I put this on my nails, and then here's the first gel color that I'm going to use. It's a nice brown. And here is the next gel color that I'm going to use. It's a really nice nude color in 201 from Enailcouture. There's another, and this is the shiny gel polish that I'm going to use. Really nice sparkle. And of course my top coat from Enailcouture as well. Here are the nice embellishments I will use on my nails to add some extra flair. Here's the rose gold feathers that are super cute. Very excited. Here I'm just painting my pinky finger and my pointer finger and my thumb with this nice gray-brown color. I like it because it's really cool toned and I really wanted that look for it. I didn't want it to be a warm tone color. Here I'm using a lighter nude color for my ring finger and my middle finger because these are where I'm going to place the fall leaf stickers. And now for some glitter gel polish just to add that extra sparkle. Here I'm trying to pick out the best sticker for my nails. Size-wise and color-wise, it was honestly a little bit difficult to choose. And as you see, I kind of messed up my middle finger nail there, so my intention was to cover that up with a sticker, of course. It's probably hard for you guys to tell from this video, but these stickers are actually foam, so they're kind of difficult to work with. They don't mold to your finger, and they're not smooth or flat. Those little ridges are actually little bumps, so they're textured, it's really nice, they're good quality, but they are hard to place flat down on the nail. So you see I'm struggling a little bit right here, using my tweezers to place them down flat. It's also a little difficult to get the stickers off of the sheet of plastic. As you can see, struggling a little bit. Even though I edited some stuff out, it took me even longer than this to get this off of this paper. So here I decided to add some sparkly gel polish over the leaves because I felt like they were too bright and they kind of looked a little bit cheesy. They looked a little bit like I put stickers on my nails like from a children's play set or something like that. So to make it a little bit more classy, I just thought adding glitter would help, because adding glitter helps everything. Here I am adding a hefty amount of gummy jelly onto my nail where I want to place the metal small little feathers onto my nail. I know that I kind of need a lot in order for these to stick onto my nail very well, because they are 3D and a little bit heavy, so I wanted to make sure that they stayed on my nail forever. I decide to add my top coat at this point because I know that I have to add it over my thumbnail because of the gummy jelly. Otherwise, the gummy jelly gets very sticky and it will just like attract lint and stuff on my nails. So you have to add a top coat to it, and I just did it to my other nails as well. This is another tricky part, trying to get these little feathers into my tweezers so that I could place it onto my nail as perfectly as possible and make sure that it sticks in the gummy jelly that I've already applied. So these metal feathers are actually very straight and flat, and my nail is curved naturally, so they don't stay on quite as well as I wanted them to. So adding a little bit of extra top coat in between that layer of my nail and the leaf is really helpful, so that's what I did. Do not forget to add cuticle oils to your nails, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I said gentlemen, you guys too. Everyone should be using cuticle oil. It helps keep your nails and your cuticles very moisturized, especially during these colder months. So this is the final nail set, and I'm really proud of it. I think they look really cute, and I'll show you a few pictures as well. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.